Welcome to the future of fitness. This isn't just a machine. This is an AI-powered cyber series designed by Welcare. Smart, precise, built with biomechanics and artificial intelligence at its core. If you're serious about fitness, this changes everything. This is more than an innovation. It is a transformation. With real-time tracking, automatic adjustments, and intelligent feedback. This cyber series doesn't just follow your workout, it evolves with you. Each machine starts with a strength test. The strength test shows three important parameters: muscle endurance, muscle hypertrophy, and power and strength. Muscle endurance helps maintain physical fitness and your health. Muscle hypertrophy helps increase muscle mass and improves your BMR. Power and strength help improve absolute strength and muscle circumference. This equipment comes with 4 different modes: standard, elastic, isokinetic, and eccentric. In standard mode, we can adjust the weight, set the weight accordingly, and start your workout. It comes with 2 different options, whereas it is upset and drop set, where you can increase or decrease the weight and adjust accordingly. Each rep that you do comes with 2 different segments. One is concentric and the other is eccentric. Concentric is more of the positive action and the eccentric is the negative action. In eccentric mode, you can adjust the weights accordingly and feel more the eccentric segment of the rep. Elastic mode. As the name says, the elastic mode comes with different levels of elasticity. This mode is specifically designed for athletes and old age people who are into rehab training. Isokinetic is a mode where the energy is created and given right back to you as another rep. In this eccentric mode, you can adjust your weights accordingly. With each rep, the eccentric feeling of the rep is highlighted. You can set the positives accordingly. This is the positive action of the rep and this is the negative action of the rep. In this particular mode, the positive becomes lighter and the negative becomes harder. This mode is designed specifically to build more muscle. The focus on the negative reps can build more muscle, as you can easily increase the negatives and decrease the positives, which makes the efficiency twice as better. In each mode, the concentric and the eccentric of the rep is shown clearly. You can adjust the weights as you go. As you process your workout, you can still adjust the weights. The graphics in the display is also fun to watch. And at the end of each set, you can clearly understand what sort of a capacity you've done, the timing that you've done the set, the calorie that has been used, and the number of reps, and the average pulling speed that you've done. This cyber series doesn't just follow your workout, it evolves with you. Experience the power of AI only with Firm.